So today we'll see that how we can publish our applications on Google Play Store or App Store. Okay, so we'll start with creating a basic application, how we should proceed for the application first. Okay, and then we'll see how we can publish the application and what other details we'll have to fill up all those things there. Okay, so but first thing is to publish an application you need to keep track of some things. Okay, so let me tell you something. Let's say I'll open a notepad and we'll keep, okay, or we'll say remember uh, steps. Okay, so first thing is when you create an application, okay, when you create an application, never keep your never keep your package name as com.example. Okay, as com.example. Okay, because it will Google Play Store will not accept it, Play Store will not accept it. Okay, so that is the thing. So you should never keep it com.example. Then you will have to go through a process. So you will have to create a key store. Okay, and zip align the apk. You cannot publish the generated apk. You will have to process your apk. Then the third thing is sign up on Google Developer Console. Okay, then to sign up you will have to pay $25, okay, for a lifetime, and you can publish n number of applications. Then once you are done with this and you have done all those things with your apk, okay, you can publish your apk. So create new create new application, new apk there. Okay, and you can add all those things. Okay, but you will have to create a app marketing kit as well. Okay, so I'll let you know how we can create those things. Okay, no problem. You can use Photoshop or something else if you know basics of it, or otherwise you can just create different images with the different screen sizes. Okay, so otherwise you can just create different images with different screen sizes. So it's simple. Okay, and all the dimensions are generally given on their on Play Store. Okay, otherwise what I'll do is I'll create we generally use things. So we have template of app marketing kit with us. Okay, so I'll share a link with you. Okay, and you can download that template and you can just go through that, or you can just edit it whatever you want, and you can use it for your applications. So that will be again a good thing. So let's get started. So we'll first create the application. Okay, and we'll start with that. So let's start with an application. So new Android application project. I'll say publish demo. Okay, so I'll say publish demo. I'll copy the name. So here now we don't need com.example, but now I'll just keep it. Okay, I'll just keep it as it is because we want to see that what problem it creates. Okay, or fine, we'll just change it. Okay, we have some other applications with us, so we can try with any other application as well. Okay, so I'll just change it from com.example to I'll just make it com.publish demo. And next, you can choose some icon if you want. If you want some icon, you can choose some icon. Okay, otherwise, okay, we'll just choose some icon for application so that it looks better. Then let's choose something. select this. Okay, we'll try to create it like Facebook app and the, I don't know, it's pretty, it's not that good. Okay, fine, let's make it square. Okay, and little bit padding, we'll apply a little bit padding there. Okay, so that we can see something. Okay, make it center and we'll say next. Okay, blank activity we read main, then okay, we'll change the name of main activity. Now I'll say finish. Okay, so we have this application, we'll just give it a run. Okay, we'll run it first so that we should see other things. Okay, so this is my application and this is we are going to publish. Okay, so what we'll do is now we have an APK with us. Okay, so this APK is generally here. So this is your APK publish demo, but you should go to file explorer. Okay, or you should open the explorer. So I'll just right click this and I'll say open explorer. Okay, so this will open the explorer for me. So this is my APK, but before that we'll try to upload other things. We'll try some other APK and we'll process it later. Okay, so that we see what problems it gives with the com.example and all. Okay, so first now we'll move on to Chrome and we'll log into Google Play Developer Console. I am already having my account, so we'll see, you can type it like this, Google Developer Console. Okay, so here is your Google Developer Console, so you can just go here, Google Play Developer Console. Okay, you can see it like this, and you can directly go here as well. So now this is, I'm logging in. So we can see some of the applications here. Okay, some of the applications are published, some of them are in draft or other things. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just delete any one. We can do that as well if you want. This was one, I'll just delete this. So this is how also you can do. Okay, first we'll see how we can create an application. So I'll say add new application. Okay, so I'll say add new application. I want to say publish demo. I'll write it like properly, I'll write it properly. Okay, and then we can click on upload APK, or you can go to prepare store listing. First we'll upload the APK and we'll then prepare the store listings. Okay, so when I say upload APK, I'll come up here. Now this has created my application and I'm getting this. So now here I can click on upload your first APK to production. So I'll click on this and here I can drop my files. So I'll just go here and I'll try to go to some other, in my workspace I'll try to use any of the APK. Just I'm using this now, date picker demo, and I'll drag it here. Okay, so it's uploading and it should give me an error now. So it's giving me an error, your APK, uploaded APK is not zip aligned, you will need to run a zip align tool and all. Okay, so fine, we'll do this for date picker first. We'll do this for date picker first and we'll see the problem with that as well. Okay, so now what you need to do, so this is my date picker application, date picker demo. What I'll do is right click, I'll go to Android tools. Okay, and here I have this export signed application package, so I'll need to click on this. Then it's asking for your project, so I'll say yes, next. Now if you are using if you are creating an update, okay, you can keep it use existing key store, but now we are not creating an update, we are just creating it first time, so you will say create new key store. Okay, now it's asking you for location, so I'll just give it the desktop, I'll just keep it on desktop. Okay, file name it's asking me, so I'll say date picker demo and save, and it's asking me some password. Please keep in mind, if this password, at least keep it somewhere noted, or keep it in mind, or keep it simple. Okay, because this password is very much important, this will be asked again on next screen. Okay, but if you forget this password, your application will be orphan. Okay, and you won't be able to publish any update for this, otherwise you'll just need to delete it from the Play Store and publish it again, you won't be able to do it again. Okay, and you will if you're deleting your application from Play Store, you will lose those many clients already, those many users. Okay, so just keep it simple. Now I'm just keeping it simple, and just for the demo, so I'll just keep it very simple. Okay, or keep it something like what you want. So let's say I'm entering all the details, I'll enter the same password again. Okay, validity in years must be minimum 25 years, or you can put many things. So in general we put 100. Then your details required. Okay, so you can type in your details, or the things you want. Okay, so I'll just type in like this, organizational sorry, let's say training and cyber. Then let's say I'm saying Pune state, MS Maharashtra, we can say, you can write it full as well, no problem. And here you will have to write down your country code. Okay, so two letters. Okay, then you can say next. Then you can choose the destination APK file. So sorry, the path for destination APK. So now it will create all those things, and you'll say finish. So now this will create the whole thing for me. So all those things are generated, all the APKs newly generated for me. I can check it, some things like in console here. So it's saying this. Okay, new key store, it's generated there, certificate, fingerprint, 75 and SHA1, it's all those things are there. Okay, so we can just close it, we can just try it. We'll just go to desktop, we'll see. Okay, this is the new APK we have. Okay, so we'll try to upload this one now. So first we'll click here, upload new APK, another APK, and I'll drag it here now. So this is my new APK, which is zip aligned and key store is created with this tool. So but this will again give me the problem because package name is com.example. So now it's giving me the problem, you need to use different package name because com.example is restricted. Okay, so I'll click upload another APK, no problem. And this time I'm going to create it where this, I'll not change that, I'll just create key store for my publish demo. Okay, so right click publish demo your project, right click your project, then Android tools and export signed application package. So again it's asking me the project name, yes it's there. We'll click on new key store, location I'll say okay desktop, and publish demo keep it same, so you should be able to understand. Okay, I'm just keeping it simple, but you should not keep it that simple, and you should keep your password noted somewhere. Okay, so I'll say publish demo, then validity I'm saying 100 years. Then okay, and you can say next. Now it's asking you for the path for new APK, zip aligned APK. So I'll click on this, and let's click here finish. So now we can see this as well, the new key source for this as well is created, and we can try that. Okay, sorry, we can try this. So this is the new APK is generated for me, so let's drag it for here, and it should get uploaded. So now the APK is uploaded. Okay, and it's showing you all those things. So how many devices are supported? So your application is supporting 9795 different devices, so it's a huge number. So we can see that these many devices are running, different devices are running on Android, so that's again a big number. Then we have this now, so you can see the list as well, but it will be a very long list, so we'll switch on to other things. Okay, so now your APK is there, and now you can see this has turned green, this has turned green. So we'll try to create other things green as well, so that we can publish our application. So we'll go to store listings. Okay, here you will have to write down all the things. Here you will have to write down all the things, short description, demo for publishing application and all. So you can write it in the way. Then you can write down other things for this, blah blah blah. Then you'll have to create the whole graphic assets. That's what I was talking about. So app marketing kit. Okay, so now you will have to take the screenshots for phone. If your application is supporting tablets, 7 inches and 10 inches tablets, then you'll have to take the screenshots there as well. If you are creating your application for televisions or TV, you can take snapshots for their screenshots there as well. Then you will need a high resolution icon. Okay, that is 512 by 512 pixels. Then you will need a feature graphic, that is 1024 by 500. Okay, so this will be there on the Play Store when you open Play Store. Okay, so these will be you will be able to see. Then promo graphic, so this promo graphic is not mandatory, this is optional. Okay, then if you are creating for televisions, you will need a TV banner as well. And if you can create a video for your application, that how you can use your application, or a promo video for your application. Okay, so you can publish that application video on YouTube, and you can give the YouTube link here, YouTube URL here. Then you will have to select the type of application. So let's say I'll say applications, then you can select out of it, so you can try anything. So let's click on something like business, or we'll select education, let's say. Then content rating, so what you are developing. So if generally if you are developing for everyone, or if you are developing from certain age, so you can try that things as well. Then you will have to enter your details, your website, then your mail ID, then your phone number is not phone number is optional. If you have some privacy policies or something, then you can specify the link for that, otherwise just click on not submitting it here. Okay, and once you do all those things, you can say you can say save draft, so it will save, and this will turn green. Okay, so now as of we have not all those, we don't have all those images with us now. Okay, so we'll not do anything, and show it to you with other applications I have published. Then you will need to specify the content rating. So content rating will be required. So again, what your kind of application you are developing, depending on that. Okay, so you'll have to select your educational reference, valid email address before. And okay, so you'll need to specify your mail id. Okay, and all the things you will have to do. Okay, so it's just a content rating, simple rating. It will ask you some questions. Can app contain violent material? No. Does it have any sexual material? Let's say no. Language, can app contain offensive language? No. Then controlled substances, can app contain references or depreciate illegal drugs? Say no. Okay, and some miscellaneous questionnaire is there. Does app interact or exchange content with other users? If you are exchanging content with other users, like sharing or other things, so you can say yes, otherwise no. Does the app share provide user provided some personal information? If you are providing personal information, then yes, or otherwise no. Does the app share the user's current physical location to other users? If you are playing with GPS locations and all, then you can think of it. Otherwise, just click no. Okay. And the last question is, does the app allow user to purchase digital goods? So if you are doing some m-commerce or something, then okay, otherwise just click no. So all those things will be there. Then you'll have to click save questionnaire, and then you can say calculate rating. So it will calculate ratings like this. Okay, and it will show you like this. Okay, so rated now 3 plus. Okay, so 3, and it's showing rated for 3 plus. So these are the things. These are different ratings actually, so just don't need to worry about them. Okay, and you can say apply rating, or you can say go back, whatever you want. So as of we are not publishing it, we will not apply it. Then you can go to price distribution. You can think your app is free or paid, keep it free. Okay, mostly you will get a lot of downloads, and select all the countries. It's better to select all the countries, you will get more downloads. Okay, then if you are developing application for wearables like wristwatches or something else, like nowadays people are using Android wearables. Okay, so you can select this, otherwise no. If you are developing for TV or something, then it will be there. Now we are coming up with automobiles as well, so it will be there. So then you can just go here. If you are developing some educational application, so you'll select this, otherwise just keep it no. Okay, so this will ask you that are you doing proper things. Okay, typical US curriculum standards or all those things. So if you are following some curriculum standards, you should be there, otherwise you should not go there. Okay, so let's click on cancel now, as of for now. Then marketing opt-out. So this is one thing where Google will promote your application indirectly sometimes. Okay, so you just keep it as it is. Then these are two things: content guidelines. You're following content guidelines and US exports law, so you just click on those. Okay, and just click on save draft again, so this will turn green. Okay, for other things, now I'll show you how we have done. Okay, with other applications. So we'll go back, I'll just click on this, and I'll click off any of the application, let's say this flames. Okay, so here you can specify all the details like this. So details are given here, then some snapshots. Okay, we have taken here, then some graphics, high resolution icon, feature graphic, promo graphic, then URL for video, YouTube URL for video as well, then content rating, and all those things are also there. Okay, so everything is there, and you can just go with that. Fine. So once it's done, you can publish your application. Okay, so here you will find a button publish. Okay, so when you click publish, okay, so once you are done with all those things, here you will find a button publish. So once you click publish, your application will get live on minimum 24 hours, you can say. Okay, and if your application is having some things, it may take 2 months as well, so you can wait for that time. Then you can see the ratings and review as well. Or first we'll go to statistics. Okay, so here you will get a lot of statistics with your applications. Okay, so all these statistics are there, how many people are using, how they are using. So these are the Android versions people are using this application on. So 4.4, 4.2, 4.0.3, 4.04, 233, 237, 4.1, 5.0, 5.4.3 and 5.1 as well. So these are some things. Then you can click on device, so it will show you the devices people are using. So it will show you all the list of devices. So these are some of the devices people are using this application on. Okay, then you can click tablets. So if people are using it on tablets, it's yes, people are using it on tablets, so it's there. Then you can click on country, so it will show you the countries as well where people are using this. So these many countries people have downloaded it, and these are again few countries. Okay, so it will show you all the countries there. Then languages, if you have supported multiple languages people are trying or people are using it. Okay, it's there. Then app versions, so it's having only one version. Okay, then operators as well, it will show you the operators as well. These operators people are using on their devices, so that if you want you can just customize your applications accordingly and you can share the things with them. So it's again a good thing, you can try a lot of things here. Then you will find the reviews and ratings here as well. So here is one more thing, how many people have rated your application. Okay, and how many reviews you have got. So here we can see some of the reviews. Okay, so you can try like that. So here few people have rated this and the rating is 4.1, average rating is 4.1. So this is how you can just go through it. Okay, and you can publish your applications. So it is easy to do that. Okay, all those things are there. So publish your applications and share the links with me so that I can review your application and I can rate it as well. So if you want anything, if you need any help, just feel free to ping me anytime. Thank you.